Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and I'm going to do a second Free It Friday video. I'm not sure if these are going to get uploaded in time for Friday, but I already uploaded my Moon Eyes, so I'm good. I have one for you guys for Friday. This may pop up on Saturday or Sunday. And we already have one in store for you on Saturday, too, a super stock Saturday. So that's going to be a cool one. But anyways, focus on what's in front of us. And excuse me, I've lost my voice. I'm not sure how, but I sound a little bit hoarse today. So please bear with me. So I picked up a case with these two Porsche sets in it the other day at Walmart. And I just noticed that the second one has one of the 917s floating around loose. So what we're going to do today is crack that one. The second one, however, I have on eBay already, and it's being bid on. I started it at 23 bucks, or buy it now for I think like 35. And anyway, somebody's already started bidding on it. So if you guys would like to try to bid on it and get one cheap, I'll give you the link to that ad on eBay in the description of this video. But we're going to take that one out of the picture and focus on this guy here. Now, those ones, excuse me, I'm putting that on the shelf so it doesn't get banged up. So what we're going to do is get these guys out. I love the box, the diorama coming down the incline into an open 4-lane. That looks really cool. So I will keep this for pics, definitely. That'll be a cool backdrop for some cool pictures. But I'm going to get rid of the Ford Diecast. So as long as this 917 that's been flopping around in here didn't trash the paint on these guys, the prices will probably be around 8 to 12 bucks a piece. I think that's the going rate for them. On eBay, some people want 20 and 30, which is crazy. But I'm going to keep mine more reasonable, a little higher than your individually packaged premiums because they are harder to get. In this paint scheme, you can only get them in the box set. So unless you find them at Walmart for 28 bucks or you buy it off eBay for 30 plus bucks, this is probably going to be the only way you're going to get them. If you only want one car, that is. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the sill. But you can see the box has the stripes. And it has some kind of like tire print, I think, on the side here. And it tells you what's in the set. The Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup, Porsche 917 LH, 1967 Porsche 911R, and the Porsche 935. Same thing on this side. And then on the back side, it just shows you the cars and such. I'm going to say that the 67 911R is probably going to be the fan favorite, but I don't know. It may not be, but for me, that would be the favorite. I'm going to get a knife instead of using scissors. I had scissors over here, but I don't think they're going to be the best option. I think the knife will be the best option to cut the edge of this box. Let's see if we got that. Yeah, we got that. These are sealed with like circle stickers, and it has a holographic Porsche sticker, I think. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, you can see the Porsche name. So let me try to open this without tearing it too much. All right, slide the insert out. Throw the box to the side, turn this around, and I'm going to say we're going to look at the 917 first. So, kind of wild paint job, this mint green on a dark blue. It does have acrylic headlight lenses, which is pretty sweet. That's one thing I liked about this casting. Even in the main line, it's like that, where the window bucket also is the headlights. Nice look with those black 5 spokes. Number 3. Nice detail on tail lights. Chassis is not so detailed, but I think that's how they really look for aerodynamics, they put sheet metal under them, I believe. So nice looking car. Doesn't look like it got damaged from flopping around inside that box. So that's cool. And then we have the 911R. So what I do with these, I just cut the rubber bands from above. That's the easiest way. So this one looks good with some these are like a 5-spoke, but a little bit different than the usual 5-spokes. It's an older wheel from Hot Wheels, and it does look like he has a little, I don't know if that's a chip or something in the paint, because it doesn't look like it's chipped. It looks like it's a little bubbled up. So I don't think it's a chip from the 917. I just think it's a little imperfection where something got in the paint. So that's unfortunate, but it's not that noticeable. Nice detail on the headlight tampos. Racing number 67, I guess to signify the year. Porsche across the engine cover. Nice detail on the tail lights, the bumper guards, bumperettes, whatever you want to call them. Nice detail on the chassis. And then these just kind of pull out. Yeah, and then it rolls. Great. Okay, so a little paint imperfection on the 911. Then the 935. So they chose to use 2 different style wheels on this one, and it don't look too bad. The number is 59 something Porsche. Nice detail on the back and front. This one doesn't look like it has any kind of paint issues. As far as what I can tell, it looks pretty good. Like the casting has the side mirrors and they're accurate. Those little tiny aerodynamic mirrors. Pretty cool. And then last but not least is the T1. And I'm going to try to see how I'm going to get him off there. Oh, there we go. That was kind of easier than I expected. So, kind of cool. It says Porsche on the side. So, Porsche delivery has the, I don't know, spoked wheels, it looks like. It's hard to tell. Like maybe the mini light style they put on the JDM cars, but I don't know if that's what those are or not. Hard to tell. But anyways, it does have the functional slide back, which is cool. And nice detail on the back. Nice detail on the front. So that is your Porsche set, guys. And if you find one at Walmart, which you may, because these are fairly new, I think, so they may still be en route to your local Walmart. And if they are, if you're a Porsche fan, I would say this is a definite must-have. I know 28 bucks for a set of Hot Wheels seems expensive for only 4 pieces, but if you figure a team transport set is $16, and then the premiums are like 6 something a piece. So 16 bucks for the team transport, 6 each for 2 premiums, 12, and 16 is 28 bucks. So I'm sure that's how they figured it. But you would think the more you buy, the cheaper the price is the way I always figured it. So you figure this should only be like 20 or 25 bucks in my opinion. 20 would be a great price, I think. But Hot Wheels don't see it that way. So they charge you quite a bit. But if you're a Porsche fan, I would recommend it. If you need one of these individually, hit me up. And we can work a deal here. If not, I'll post them on eBay. And as I said, if you want a complete set, the link for the complete set is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your weekend.